this is what we're doing. Dodge Scat Pack. Man, this thing is gonna be good. You ready to show these people what you're made of?
No.
Come on. All right, this is the vision. This is what we're working with. We installed this yesterday. We left, not yesterday. We installed this a while back. We left it just so the customer can have base because we were really busy, and now finally we have time to work on what Junior's gonna be doing. The emblem.
Something to incorporate into the
box. Where was that at?
I believe it's 392 Scat Pack. So he replaced the badge. We don't want the regular shit, you know? Gotta always make it our own.
Yeah.
So the vision here is use everything that's on this door to go in the trunk.
So this is where you're getting your inspiration from.
Yes. Silver trims, red interior, but black to give it the accent.
This right here, these lines, and the stitching, right? Or something?
Yes.
So that's the idea.
Look at it on Instagram. We have our render there.
So we left all the cables extra long. See? So we know we can move the amp over there in that location. So I'm gonna set them up on a time lapse.
Oh yeah. Yo, let's do this. Now picture homie rolling. Let me offer my condolence. You don't know just how I'm doing. And the silence gold, I'm broke cause they know him for talking fluent. Got him under the influence, the truest, talking to him. But decline your ego, bumping him out music, I'm eschewing. I just flew in for the day, gonna have to get explicit. I got love for rappers like I do for my fucking ex-bitches. And I got that pass, though, I'm gonna ask permission if I could kick it. Checking the repertoire, I got that rep on par with the best who did it. Let's get it how I'm living. Shout out to the ones that with them. Think that I wanted a ransom where the ends gold dog when I'm in the building. And it kind of ironic, who would've thought that I'd be the hottest? Never came close to being no bitch, but you know Snow was a fucking product. Tell me who won it, not what you want, it's bound to be iconic. Baby, you got it. Let me get that love and that's 100, checking the proof on it. When I'm in the spot and I catch the feeling, raising the roof on it. You know that we gonna be about to head. Hey, yeah, y'all ain't ready. Blaze up the whole damn city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. Get up, I know y'all hear me. Show love when I'm in your city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. I did it for the 530, did it for the West Coast, did it better than most, did it with a little soul, couldn't do it alone, so I did it for the squad, now we doing the toes. You know I did it for Detroit, that's why they see me hustle hard. I got the drive and muscle cars and work ethic on my father. Y'all respect him cause you gotta, love to hate him but you oughta know you gotta give him props for the way he kept on riding. Now it's fire, 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 I'ma burn it down. These haters all can get the noose, they plan on hanging around. I'm letting loose, when they see me they ain't making a sound. I'm living proof, they turning on you, we been holding it down. But still I put on for my city, man, I put on for my city. Yo, what put on, I suggest you paying dues and you getting busy. Ain't the one to put on anyone that hasn't been riding with me. Whether they friends or they enemies, gonna have to miss me, dog. We bout to head. Hey, yeah, y'all ain't ready. Blaze up the whole damn city. Whoa, 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 nah, nah, nah. Get up, I know y'all hear me. Show love when I'm in your city.
This is something that's cool. I've never really done this before, but we have a truck that has a sunroof, okay? And it had a sunroof, but it was really bad. There was something wrong with it, okay? It doesn't open no more and the motors are seized. We're gonna put a bigger sunroof, and we have to put a bigger sunroof because there's already a hole there. You know, we can't start with the regular one. But anyway, this thing was ugly. I'm gonna give you guys a look what it looks like. It's not the installer, the sunroof, okay? It's ugly. So look at that. Okay, Javier's taking it apart right now. Let's see if we can see above it. See, it's stuck on open. See it? So you guys can tell that thing's bad, right, Javier?
Yeah.
Not really the installation is bad, but the it's terrible. Oh look, he closed it. Never mind, we're good. Javier, just leave it like that, seal it up, and call it a day. Okay, we'll let them work, and we'll keep coming out to check it out. But I guarantee when it's done, it'll look sick. All right, check it out. All this right here is a Range Rover. We're installing an amp for bass. I'm not gonna put no time lapses on it because I have a lot of stuff going on and everybody needs to be recorded. And I only have one GoPro. Let's go check on Junior, see what he's doing with the Dodge Charger. This is where we left off yesterday for sure. Let's go see what he's doing. I think he's in the laser room. Let's go see what's going on. So it looks like Junior's doing the panels. Damn, dog. How's she coming? Damn, Lewis. So this is sundown, huh? This lady don't mess around. She's going from 215s to 2. She's going from 212s to 112. She said it was too much bass in her life. Looks like Javier got the headliner out, got the old glass out, and we're about to put the new glass. Oh shit. All right, so he already matched up the other one. I'll put it on time lapse so we can see what he does. All right, look at that. Now he's doing the headliner. We just have to get that going. He already finished the inside part. So now we're gonna start this Infinity. Get this through the day. This is just an amp for bass, so it should be quick and easy. You know how we do it. This is what the customer brought us: 2 JLW3s and a 3,000 watt power amp. Power Crunch.
Siempre trabajas bien. No sé en qué se te va el tiempo.
These guys are fighting because he thinks he did the sunroof faster than this guy. You guys seen him do it. We'll see who wins.
Yo no puedo más de lo que es. Es mi límite ya.
Si puedes.
You can do 3 sunroofs in one day, way. I know you can. Let's see how it came out though. All right, man. Okay. All right, so now he's taking all the little old, what is that? The old foam off of the headliner. Cool, man. He said, can you fix the stereo too? I'm just kidding. Damn, look at the boss man going to work. Did you have any left over? Any extra headliner? He said, can you do his dash and his seats, everything with the leftover?
Yeah.
Carol Bassett. Hoo! Hoo hoo! Well, that's the sunroof. Let's go check out Junior's trunk. Oh damn! Oh damn! This thing's looking hard. I like this, man. That looks sick. Carol Bassett. Carol Bassett. So now that we're here at the bike, they got the tops back on. Can I open this? Look at that speaker installation. So we got the 6x9s ready, the quick disconnects ready, the amplifier's in there at the bottom. Started at the bottom, now we're here. They got this quick disconnects too. And then he's doing that's for the quick disconnects for the speaker, right? Oh, for the speaker and the subwoofer that's in this thing. So they're gonna have the sub. Like, wait, sub box is already in here. That's sick. And then the tweeters are right there. So you can remove this whole piece without disconnecting every single cable. You just unplug the harness. So this right here plugs into there, and then you're good to go. You can take that, work on the bike. Same thing with the side saddlebags. The speakers right here are installed already from the Alpines. We went and put an Alpine component here. So yeah, that's looking good. Here's the other amplifier. And that's gonna be bolted right here to the side. And that gave us extra room to fit the Alpine in. Ain't that amazing? It's coming out good. Oh yeah. This is gonna be hooked up to the radio. Bam! Alright guys, so this was the end of this episode. We had a lot of stuff going on at the same time, so you'll see in the next video a lot of the projects getting finished and more work being done on them. The Dodge Challenger Scat Pack is what you guys saw we started. That thing looks amazing. I kind of gave you a sneak peek on what it was done when all the parts were together. But now, tomorrow, the next episode, we're going to be doing the upholstery. So then you'll get some color and some lively to it. As far as that sunroof goes, that was pretty cool. That was a Dodge Ram. It came in with a smaller sunroof. We ended up putting a bigger sunroof. It was nice. What else was on there? The Infinity was just an amp for bass. We didn't finish watching it, but you know, it's a typical bass amp installation. There was a lot of work that day. So, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. You know the deal. I'll be putting more stuff up later. Thanks, guys.